Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's recipe is for traditional Irish fruit soda bread. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take a large bowl, and to that we're going to sift in some plain flour. Now once that's sifted in, we're going to add some bicarbonate of soda, some table salt, and some dark brown sugar. Now we're going to add our dried raisins and sultanas. And we'll just give them all a stir around to get everything together. Now that that's all mixed in, we're going to add our buttermilk. Now we don't add our buttermilk all at once. We add it about a third at a time, just mixing it in till we get the mixture to the right consistency. Now when we get a wet but sticky mixture, we're going to put flour aboard and we're going to pour the mixture right onto it. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. Now we're going to take this, we're just going to knead it for a couple of minutes and then we're going to form it into a shape of a ball. So now that our mixture's come together, I've made double the amount here, so I'm just going to cut it in half. Now we'll just set one half of this to the side and we'll work on the other half. The traditional shape for this is round. So now we'll take a baking tray. We don't oil or butter it, we just sprinkle some flour onto it. We take a sharp knife and we cut the soda bread into 4. Not right through, just make a deep cut on the top. Now over to a preheated oven, pop the loaf in and we'll cook it for 40 to 45 minutes just until it's cooked. As you can see, our soda bread is cooked, the top is brown. Now folks, if you want a softer top, cover this soda bread with a damp tea towel and it will soften the top. Our soda bread is ready to serve. Soda bread is best served just sliced with some Kerrygold butter. Now folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.